Ben Llywelyn, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about animals in Welsh. Alright, so how this is going to work, I'm going to show some footage of an animal with a Welsh word. Sometimes I'm going to do more than one Welsh word for the same thing because we have different localisms or little dialects that we have as well, which it doesn't matter which one you use. I mix the dialects as I go. I don't care which one I use, north, south, whatever. I use whatever word I think's coolest, sounds cool. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. Also, I invented the word Cragangi for armadillo because we don't have a word for that yet in our language. So I created it. I'm not going to put English in because I believe that people should learn languages through immersion. I think that's the best way. And I've also used the most Welsh words that I can for those animals so that we can use less of the English language in our language because there are quite enough of loan words in Welsh as it is. So yeah, let's get started. Tylluan, Gwryhw, Dyfad, Broga, Llyffant, Llew, Dyfrgu, Breithill, Blythe, Bochdel, Codlig, Bran, Ceffyl, Cel, Cidill, Hebog, Gwoch, Mochyn, Hwch, Morhwch, Dolphin, Coryn, Prif Cob, Gwenci, Bronwen, Pain, Cwningen, Sgfarnog, Wenmlangell, Cota, Ceiliog, Gwylan, Cragangi, Maharan, Hwrdd, Gyfrawig, Crwban, Morgi, Sglefren Fôr, Seren Bigog, Cnocell y Coed, Tyllwr y Coed, Cnoc y Coed, Madfall, 'Mablath', Arth. Arth. Neder. Nedrefen. Cadno. Llwynog. Eog. Eog. Eryr. Eryr. Chwilen. Chwilen. Idfil. Idfil. Cranc. Cranc. Seadin. Aderyn y sea. Gafr. Gafr. Tarw. Tarw. Buwch. Buwch. Carw. Bwch. Hydd. Hydd. Llyswen. Llyswenan. Malwoden. Malwen. Byllasg. Byllasg. Creir. Creir. Crychydd. Hwiatblyg. Hwiatblyg. Ringcorn. Tringorn. Gwydd. Gwyddan. Ci. Cynin. Ci. Gloyn byw. Pilipala. Yarfa a chyrha.